You're doing fine, dude. Everybody breathe. One cough. He didn't cough this morning, so we're good. It was dusty this morning, wasn't it, dude?
Are you saving it up for me? Alright, so pick your feet up, alright?
He's doing fine.
He's a good boy. Going to the step?
Yeah, you can go to the step. It's fine. Tell him back square.
Back square. Stormy, back square.
There you are. Park.
Park. Let me see. Good boy.
He goes, oh, thank God, somebody who knows what they're doing.
Stand.
He's a little irritated because Addison doesn't know all the cues. Okay, show me you dismount, you two. Actually, stay up there. Go in the box. See, I lied.
Stormy walk.
Stormy box center.
Box center. I know you don't have fruit.
That's all right. He'll know what he's doing. One more step. There you go. All right, 180 to the right, please. All the way around, Bubby. Yep, you remember.
Whoa, good job.
All the way around, or 180 to the left.
Stormy, left, all the way down.
Open your chest. Use your legs. He'll tell you if he doesn't want to do it, okay? He's been really honest when he doesn't feel comfortable. All right, step out, turn around, and give me a side pass. Step, step. All right, walk into the barrels halfway and then just back out about 2 steps. I want to see if he does what he's doing with Addison or if it's something with Addison. Barrel center, bud. That's nice, nice and true with the legs. Okay, 3 steps of back. Stay true, wait in your stirrups. Yep, he's still not quite comfortable with that leg yet. So what he's doing, because he doesn't trust it like me with my leg, he's bringing it back to even, and then he's taking a big step with his left foot. I'm not upset about that. That's him just not trusting it yet. All right, bring him on around. Let's get you off at the step. That's what today was for. Good boy. So you're going to be officially in charge of his walking laps and trail obstacle. And we're going to have Addison working on his gating work, okay? Step center, buddy.
You wanted to turn earlier, but I was telling you no.
Back square.
Back square, Stormy.
Okay, front right. Or front left, buddy. Sorry, I'm sorry. That was my fault. There's a good boy. All right, he's there.
Stormy, stand.
Bring your leg around towards me as you get off. You got this, girl. Have faith. Leg towards me, down.
Sorry, Bubba. I didn't